Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Then you are no fit fourth one now. All this amount car na-eburi up and down akwa and ya na-agba shoot aside. That's all. Well, a na-apịa ha ka nkwa na-apịa ha gwata. Ọ bụrụ even to shoot straight, they no fit shoot straight. My brother blade in water. You gotta go. If you never dey serious to defend your motherland, you are very stupid. This time now, you are not even ready to defend your fatherland so that Fulani will not come and take over. It's not everybody will come and carry gun. But go kinekete. Ibo onye eri. You gotta go. Ibo ezigbote onye eri. You gotta. You are waiting for another person to go and die so that when Biafra come, hey, we are the one that fight for it. We are the one which you have nothing to do. You gotta go. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you, my brother Ndubisi. Isoro na ndị bụ ashịrị bịa palọ kụ nọ na-akụ from morning to morning. Ị na-agagharị na different channel to kụọ ashịrị. Ịbụ onye eri na Ịbụ okpo. You are market woman, you are not man. That is why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu men are weak. Or say, I'm using my eye to count men in Biafra land. When I look, I didn't see any men in Biafra land. I see women. Tairapa. Hi. Men are weak. When I look around, I see women. Hey. And you are among of them. You call yourself a man, but you are just a woman with a rapper. Chukwu will am but you are not a man. What is the value of a man? Agamota nwoke. Ne nwoke ahụ amụtara ebe a. Nee ya. Chai. But today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is so happy because of Chagia that all those things will happen and men will come. Men that his need is here to do the job. Yes. You think that to fight government, you feel no belly. Do you think that it's just it's not my cup? Eh? Because today, do you know what you are talking about? You are fighting a government that have been existing. No matter what, Nigeria is a country. You gotta go. Do you think that is an easy thing? Nigeria is a country. It's a country. And they have the money. The money that is coming in Biafra land to fight you. They have it. They have some equipment. But we are fighting them down. How for go? It is no very kind. Cheno egwu ka na egwu. Icheno egwu monso ka na agba. Oh God, you people don't understand. When you come in the bush, you understand that human beings, they are not human beings anymore. If I was an animal, you will turn animal overnight. You will turn animal overnight. You are not because your thinking is not like a human being anymore because you cannot just on a war field, okay, no. So you think like a person that is in a war, not a person thinking like a person that have nothing to offer. When our leader is in DSS suffering, This is 2 years plus our leader is in DSS, suffering. But you have never even think in your life how this man will come out from that place. If I game, the solution. Okay, Simon is not doing it well. Oh yeah, Oga, come and lead us. Come and tell us what to do for your own personal movement. Come and do the love broker so that you teach us how the way forward. See the equipment I have to bring Nigeria down. When Simon is putting fire, you know to Nigerian government, putting fire to Nigerian government. Again, you know quench the fire so that the fire will not catch. Say who send you the message? Who born your mama? Huh? Is somebody that you said that is Nigeria is paying money. Tinubu is paying him money. Is working with Nigerian government. Now, who is working with Nigerian government? Huh? Simon is working with the governors in Southeast. He's working with the Devil. He's working with this and that. He's this and that. We, DOS, we are the one that is doing it. With this pump action you are giving men. Pump action. Pump action and 15,000 to Oka made. You are giving men to go and fight people that carry AK-49. Eh? Steamer. Chamberlain, ki pump action, ta gonna fight. Double magazine. Eh? Ordinary chakapo. Oh God. Chakapo. Kinyere man. Can men go, they fight people. We carry AK-47. You are not okay. You say that you are leading, and we are the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. We are the founder, because Biafra is your father company. Yes, now Biafra is your personal father company that you can do anything you like. You can say anything you like. Pump action enweho bu agji. Do you imagine na pump action? Go imepe granite ya. That na no na bicycle. A na-etinye na free wheel na bicycle. Oya bife na no na granite pump action. E were rubber wuchie ya on. This is the kind of thing you have been giving men to go and fight Nigeria. Shame on these people as well. Shame on these people that call themselves they be DOS. Shame on you people. Shame. Inenekwa anya ife men ubu n'aka na nke ikpeazụ. Negodi anya. When you are in a movement, you see machines, different machines. When we say, in Nigeria, they see, Nigeria, they ask, where these people, they carry this kind of thing, they come. Even to join the movement, go they sweet you, because you get machine where they go carry give you guy. They don't touch AK-49 before. They don't touch AK-47 before. When you touch steamer, you touch SMG, you touch Madison before, you touch SS before. When you touch this gun, when they tell you, on a deka moto ego to rough for one name, because what you say to your call guard. You were AK-47 now, one Tiana rapid. One Obono one, now about only a single. If you like, make two, they come out, you put them two. Silent one, they now fail now. You name me fan fanya. You know about only get stretch, you know, back and the flani. Because they know sabi shoot. You no hand so high as only if no hand say can they shoot, but they see something where they far or Ghana we better. They know they carry that one na normal na legit. If you come you collect. Also they know na anywhere where you dey, Oga will bring you down. Ninche no attack ebi lo babewe. Ibru pump action. Pump bi eji emebu. Okay ka eji ya agba. Oke ka eji pọmpụ agba. Ndị na-aga nta bi oke ka eji pọmpụ agba. Ị gị were pọmpụ nye m ka m ga wee gbagbuo mmadụ. Ga wee gbagbuo onye bụ AK-49. Onye bụ Chamberlain ka ị na-ebunye m pọmpụ ka m bịa gbagbuo. Ọgwụ gị ọ ga-awụ gị n'alụ. Ịghọta ije. Before m na-emeche chakakpom. Chakakpom. 20 bullets agwụgwọ m na once ka m na-agwa gị ị na-enye m pọmpụ ị na-enye m pọmpụ ka m gaa were na-agba pọmpụ ka m na-agwa gị. Ozili ezi ka m na-ajụ. You know, see what men they carry for hand. You know, they see what men they carry for hand. It is say now that thing with they carry, they bring Nigeria. Now pump with they carry, they bring Nigeria down. Don't be pump. What do they use pump they do? Pump now if you want to destroy their car, you go put them boom. That one no normal. You know they even catch fire like if they get for see they get 47 or no. Can you con the mama? If they give person Mark 4, yeah, that one a normal thing. Mark 4 now be the powerful gun where you if it's may pass AK-47 self. May pass AK-49. Because that one, if they bring you, it go carry you up like 4 feet. Carry you up like this, knock you for ground, boom. You know they go anywhere. Now there you go land. You go to carry pump, they give you make a go, they shoot somebody where carry almost 10 magazine. Where you know they share. You go say Simon, they do this and that. Simon, if not because of Simon today, you know. By this time, you like Bachago so seen here, seen poro here. You need to pump him, kanga wo. Oh, we're going to get in our war. You need to get a risk. I'm not going to get pump bish no. Granot serve and not granot at you. Get out granot the camiri, you get chute mirikute granot oti. Granot carry boy. Material. Ye aqua Ojule do everywhere. If you come, you collect your own. The way you go take show your clothes. Normal. Huh? Oh, you're not Tommy no to. Oh, we very if I come in the boom machine, bully on your blood, you're not Tommy no to. See, waiting I pass through that time, I'm not gonna pass them again. Show you guys. I not pass them again now. So my people, if I dare, man, we are waiting for Nigeria to come and attack. Because you know, they say they will revenge. My problem is not about revenging men on ground. No, now, okay, as they go, as they go that place now, go they destroy Biafra property. They don't revenge. So now they will come now, come they do 1 or 2. But I want our people to be today very vigilant. Just stay very, very vigilant in any way where they go. Any place in the see. Kabalo, be very vigilant. You go because you name mobile home as a car name. Ego more can about one. You understand? We move ahead. You understand? So badanya. Ego kona kamado megi anyhow. We move ahead. One Biafra has come to stay, whether I like it or not. If you have nothing to offer, allow people that have something to offer to do their job. Oh yes, no way you now you say Nigeria. Because many of you don't know that guy. Simon is a go if you don't know him. I want my your of me personal. I'm going to personal. I'm a form of Maro Yanishi. So forget. Now who know no person they call him small boy. I feel I need remazin and the color. Oh, Munde Mazin and the color remazin and the color. Huh? You think that somebody you sold your brother into, we trust you? No, the person can never trust you. You know why? The person can never trust you now. Because if they give you a chance, you continue selling their own brother. So they have left all of them behind. Calling you Yamari. Because you are not ashamed of yourself. Since what gain have you been? Now all of them is in Abuja. A freedom fight. Yeah? Many of themselves have entered to do a politics game. I want to go to Senate. I want to go to House of Assembly. Then you find your job for a white lawyer that have nothing to offer. I don't know when a Jofo come a freedom fight. I don't know. From lawyer of defending our leader, Mazin and Kalanam, is the head of DOS. When did Ejiofor join IPOB? To say what is going to happen in IPOB? For you to know a kind of deadly game these people are playing. They are under one Nigeria. Nigeria is paying them money. They are looting Nigeria money, thinking that money, the Nigeria is paying them, thinking that we don't know. There is a video I'm watching. Somebody sent to me when Ejiofor is explaining how our leader come.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.